Hello student, now in this video we will go with exercise 2.3. Its question is solve the following equation and check your result. It means we have to solve the given equations and we have to put their answer in the LHS and RHS side. If both sides are equal, so we will say thus our solution is correct or LHS is equal to RHS. In the first question we have 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. We have only one variable, that is x, so we will combine x term together. Here 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So 2x will come near to 3x. Okay, so 3x. Then after that, in the previous equation 2x is in the positive, then when it will go to another side it will go as a negative, is equal to, now we already taken 2x to another side, so what will remain here? Only 18. Only 18 will remain here. Now 3x minus 2x, it's only 1x, that is 18. Now we have the x value as a 18. One more thing, the question said us check your answer. So for checking we will conduct here. In the checking we will put our x value in the question. What our question? 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. This is our question. We taken x value is 18. So on the place of x we have to put their value 18 is equal to 2 into x. So on the place of x we have to put 18 plus 18 as it is. Here 18 3s are 54 is equal to 18 2s are 36 plus 18. Here 54 as it is. 36 plus 18 will give us 54. This means LHS is equal to RHS. If we get LHS is equal to RHS, it means we solved our equation correctly. Here is the solution of first one. Now second question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. On the both side LHS and RHS we have only one variable, that is t. So we will combine t together. Okay, we will combine t together and the constant term together. Here we have constant is only here 3 and 5. So this 5 and 3 will together come and this 5t and 3t will together come. So in the left hand side we already have 5t. Okay, now from the right hand side we will take this 3 to left hand side. Here it is in the positive, so it will go in the negative, minus 3t. Now 3t was coming from the right hand side, so what is remaining there? Only negative 5. Only negative 5 was remaining there, that will comes as it is. Here negative 3, that negative 3 will go opposite side but with the positive, so it will become positive 3. Okay, now 5 minus 3, it will come as a 2t is equal to minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2, but 5 is a bigger number and it has minus symbol, so its answer will also come in the minus. Now here 2t, 2 is in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division. When you reduce it, its value come as a negative 1. So t's value is negative 1. Now one more thing we have to do, checking. What we have to do? Checking. For doing the checking, firstly we have to write the question same as it is. Firstly we have to write the question and we taken the value of t as a minus 1. So on the place of t we will put minus 1. Here 5 into 2, 5 into t, so it will come 5 into minus 1 minus 3 as it is, equal 3 into t. So on the place of t we will put minus 1 minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 1, so it will come minus 3 minus 5. Minus minus plus, so it will come as a minus 8 because 5 is a bigger number, so minus will come in the answer also. Here minus minus plus, so it will come as a minus 8 like previously. Thus we can say LHS is equal to RHS. If this condition is satisfying, so we can say our answer is absolutely correct. Question number 3rd, that is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So we will combine 5x and 3x together and this 5 and 9 together. Okay, so here 5x is already, so we will take x term from the another side to near to 5x. ओके, सो जो टर्म हम बदलते हैं वो हमेशा पीछे जाके लगती है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. सो 5x के पीछे जाके कौन बैठेगा? 3x. बट कैसे? previously it was present here in the positive, so it will go in the negative as a 3x is equal to, on the right hand side who already there? 5 is already there, so 5 will come as it is. From the another side negative 9 will come because 9 previously here in the positive, so it will come in the negative term. 5 minus 3, so it will come as a 2x is equal to plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus minus, so 9 minus 5 is 4, but 9 is the bigger number, so its symbol will come here as a minus. Okay, this 2 is in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division, so negative 4 will divided by 2. When we reduce it, its answer x is equal to minus 2. Now we have to check their answer. So for checking, firstly for checking we have to write question properly, that is given 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 9. On the place of x we will put the value, it's minus 2. Okay, so 5 into minus 2 plus 9 as it is, 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Okay, then 5 2s are 10, but minus plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, but how? Minus. Okay, minus plus minus, then 10 minus 9 is 1, but 10 is a bigger number, so its symbol will come here. Here 5, when we open the bracket, this minus, this positive will consider as a minus, so it will come as a this. Then minus 1 is equal to plus minus minus, plus minus minus, so its answer is 6 minus 5 is 1, but 6 is a bigger number, so its symbol will come here. Now we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Here is the solution of third one. Now we have question number 4, that say as 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. In this time we have variable as a z. Okay, so we will combine firstly z term together. So in the LHS side, left hand side, we already have 4z. So when we take another z from the right hand side, here 2z is in the positive, so when we, it will change its position, so it will consider is a opposite sign. So opposite of positive is negative, so it will go in the minus. Here 6 is already there, so इसके पीछे आके लगेगी पूरा जो वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है, so positive 3 it will go in the negative. Okay, then 4 minus 2 is 2, z as it is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, now 2 is in the multiplication, so it will go in the division like in the form of 3 by 2. We did not reduce it in the form of decimal, we will just remain it as it is. Now we have to do the checking For the checking, firstly we have to write the question as it is. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Here as you can see, but we taken already z value as a 3 by 2. So on the place of z we will put value of a z, like 4 into 3 into 2, this is the one term, plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 into 2. This bracket term is considered as only one term, that's why we will reduce it from the denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. So when we reduce 4 and 2 together, so in the table of 2, 2 comes one time and 4 comes 2 time. Here 2 to 2 cut. Okay, so when we open the bracket, 2 3s are 6 and here 3, here 6 as it is, and here we have 1, so 1 into 3 it will consider as a 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9 and here 6 plus 3 as a 9. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. That means we taken right value of the z, that is z is equal to 3 by 2. Now question number 5th as 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So again we have to combine x term. On already left hand side we have 2x, so from the opposite side minus will come in the positive, so x as it is come in the positive. Here 14 will remain as it is, इसके पीछे इसके सामने वाली टर्म आके लगेगी, that is minus 1. Minus 1 will go in the positive, so it will become as a plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 it will consider as 3x, 14 plus 1 15. Here 3 is in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division, that will become as a 15 divided by 3. When we reduce it, it will consider as x is equal to 5. Now we taken x value is equal to 5. That means now it's time to check our answer. For doing the checking, we have to write question as it is. That will look like this: 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. We taken x value is a 5. On the place of x we have to put their value. 2 into 5 minus 1, 14 minus 5. Okay, then 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5, it will consider as 9. Its answer is 9. Okay, now 10 minus 1 is 9, and already on the right hand side we have 9. Thus we can say LHS is equal to RHS. It means we taken right answer of x, that is x is equal to 5. Here is the solution. Question number 6 is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So in this question, before shuffling of any digit, any variable, any constant, firstly we have to solve this bracket. Okay, so when we, before writing 8x plus 4, I am solving this right hand side process. Here 3 into x minus 1. So firstly we'll go 3 will go near to x, so 3x it will come. Okay, minus symbol is in the bracket, that's why we will put here minus symbol. 3 into 1, that will give us 3, plus 7 as it is. Okay, now this remaining term written here. Okay, now 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Okay, 3x. Now we have minus plus. Okay, so when we have minus plus, we have to do minus. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, but which symbol is coming between them? So firstly check which is the bigger number. So 7 is a bigger number and it has positive symbol, so here also we have to put positive symbol. Okay, now it's time to shuffle variable and constant. Here we have 8x, so we will call x term from the opposite side. Here in the opposite side 3x in the positive, so it will go in the negative. Here 4, so 4, this positive 4 will go in the negative symbol. So 8 minus 3 is 5x is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now when we divide 0 by 5, its answer x is equal to as a 0. It means we have x value is equal to 0. Now it's time to check our answer. For checking our answer, firstly we have to write our question. Now on the place of x we will put the x value, that is 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4 as it is, equal to 3 into, on the place of x we have to put 0, minus 1 as it is, plus 7 as it is. Okay, 8 into 0, it will give us 0, plus 4 as it is, 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 1, 3, plus 7. Here 0 plus 4, that will give us 4, and here we have minus plus, that's why we have to do the subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. So which symbol? 7 is a bigger number and it has positive symbol, so positive symbol will come, that means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, it means we taken right value of x, that is x is equal to 0. Now question number 7, that tell us x is equal to 4 by 5 multiply by x plus 10. So like in the question number 6, firstly we have to solve the bracket. So in this question, firstly we have to again solve the bracket. So 4x firstly will go near to x, that will become as a 4 by 5x, plus 4 into 5 next will go near to 10. But how? In the multiplication. Okay, when we reduce it, it will reduce. 5 1 is 5 and 5 2s are 10. Here we have to combine the x term. Here we have x from the opposite side, 4 by 5 will come, but how? It will come here in the minus, because firstly in the right hand side it was in the positive, so it will come as a negative symbol. Here we have 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, now it's time to क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इट मीन्स 5 का मल्टीप्लाई होगा x से अपोजिट साइड से, सो 5 इंटू एक्स 5x. हियर इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ x we have 1, so 1 into 4, that will give us minus 4x, and 5 into 1, that will give us 5. Okay, now 5 minus 4 is 1, that will remain here as it is. This 5 into 8, that will give us x value as a 40. What I do here? Here I was doing क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, नीचे वाले टर्म का ऊपर वाले टर्म से दोनों प्लेस पर, और नीचे वाले टर्म का टुगेदर करके 5 इंटू 1 करके आया 5. 5 माइनस 4 आया 5. हेयर 5 इज इन द डिविजन, सो इट विल गो अपोजिट साइड इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. After doing the multiplication, 8 into 5, that will give us x value is a 40. So now it's time to check our answer. For doing the checking, firstly we have to write the question. Now we already taken the x value is a 40, so on the place of x we have to write their value, that is 40. Here as it is, on the place of x 40 plus 10. Here 40 as it is, 4 by 5. I am not multiplying it because in the bracket we can directly solve them. 40 plus 10, it's 50, and here multiplication symbol. When we reduce it from each other, from numerator and denominator, so it will reduce like in this form. So 40, so 4 tens are 40. It means LHS is equal to RHS. It means we taken right value of x, that is x is equal to 40. Question number 8, that tell us 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So we have to shuffle the variable with each other from one side and constant from one side. So 2x by 3 will remain at one side, so it will call opposite. It will call from opposite side 7x by 15. Here 7x by 15 is in the positive, so it will go in the negative symbol, like in this way, is equal to 3 will remain here as it is, positive 1 will go in the negative symbol here. Now you already know here we have to do the cross multiplication, so 3 and 7 together will multiply, and 5 and 2x will together multiply. Okay, so When we multiply 2x by 15, it will give us 30x minus 7 into 3, it will give us 21x बाय, अब नीचे क्या करें, नीचे कुछ नहीं करना है, नीचे सिर्फ हमको नीचे नीचे वालों का मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो 15 3s is 45 is equal to opposite side 3 minus 1 is 2. Now here 30 minus 21 is 9x equal to 45 is it here in the division, so it will go opposite side in the multiplication. So 2 into 45 equal 9x. Okay, 9x will remain here as it is. So 2 into 45 will give us 90. Here 9 is in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division. So 90 by 9, that means x value is 10. Okay, what we taken the value of x? 10. Now we have to check its answer. For checking, firstly we have to write its quotient, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. We taken x value as a 10, so 2 into 10 it's 20 by 3 plus 1 as it is. 7 into 10 is 70 by 15 plus 3 as it is. If we reduce any term, so we will reduce here 20 and 3 will not reducing each other, but 17 and 15 will reducing. 17 and 15 will reducing from the table of 5. 15 goes 3 times and 17 goes 14 times. Okay, now 20 by 3 will go here by the cross multiplication that I explained already. Here 1 के नीचे 1 है, so 1 into 20 20 plus 3 into 1 3 and नीचे नीचे वालों का. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3. Here we have 14 by 3 plus 3 as it is equal to side 20 plus 3 it's 23 by 3 equal as it is. Firstly we have to check the denominator of each one. 14 and 1 together will multiply and 3 and 3 together will multiply, and denominator side will multiply each other. Okay, so 14 into 1 is 14 plus 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, now 23 by 3 is equal to 23 by 3 because 14 plus 9 is 23. Now it means LHS is equal to RHS. It means we taken right answer of x, that is x is equal to 10. Question number 9, that tell us 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So again we will combine constant at one side and variable at one side. So 2y call from opposite side minus y, so it will come as a positive. So plus y is equal to 26 by 3. Here opposite side plus 5 by 3, that plus 5 by 3 will come here in the minus. Okay, here 2 plus 1 is 3y is equal to, it will look like as a, because its denominator is same, that's why we are writing it directly. Okay, that's why we are writing it directly is it in the form of 3. Here 3y as it is. 26 minus 5 will give us 21 by 3. So when we reduce it from the table of 3, it will look like this. 3y is equal to 7. Here 3 is in the multiplication, so it will go in the division, that 7 by 3. It means our value of y is 7 by 3. Now we will check its answer. Now for checking, firstly we have to write the question. So on the place of y we have to put 7 by 3. So y is 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 as it is equal to 26 by 3 as it is, minus on the place of y we have to put 7 by 3. Here 2 7s are 14 by 3 as it is, 5 by 3 as it is. Here we have 3 same in the denominator, that's why it will come as a one time. Then 26 minus 7. Here same as it is, 3 will come one time because both the fraction have one same denominator, that's why 3 as it is. 14 plus 5. Here 26 minus 7, that will give us 19 by 3, and here 14 plus 5 is 19 by 3. So 19 by 3, 19 by 3, both the places, that's why we can say LHS is equal to RHS. It means we taken right value of y, that is 7 by 3. Now we have last question of exercise, that is question number 10, that tell 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Here we have to again combine the constant and variable together at one place. So m will call m term, so 3m, so it will call the same term, that is 5m. In the opposite side 5m is in the plus positive, so when it will shuffle its place, so it will go in the opposite of sign, that is minus, is equal to negative 8 by 5 will remain as it is. Okay, now 3 minus 5 plus minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2, but 5 is a bigger number, that's why minus symbol will come here. That means 5 minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay, now minus 2 is it here in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division, so m alone will remain here, minus 8, and 5 will multiply by minus 2. Minus to minus cut, from the table of 2 8 will go 4 times, and here m is equal to 4, and here 5 will remain here, so m value is 4 by 5. Now it's time to check our answer, that is m is equal to 4 by 5. Here I written already question, that is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. On the place of m I will put its value, that is 4 by 5 is equal to 3 multiply by 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 5. Okay, now here 3 4s are 12 by 5. Okay, I am not cutting this 5 to 5 because both the places have same denominator. If I cut this 5 to 5, so here we have 1, so again we have to do the cross multiplication, that's why I am not cutting this 5 to 5. You will just check how I did not cut it. Okay, 5 4s are 20 by 5 as it is, minus 8 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5 as it is. Here 20 by minus 8 by 5 because both the fraction have 5. Now maybe you can understood why did not I cut this 5 to 5, because if I cut here 5 to 5, here on the place of 20 only 4 will remain here, and again we have to do the cross multiplication, that process will go so long. That will also right, but for doing the short solution we are not cutting it together. So 12 by 5 is equal to 20 minus 8 is 12 by 5 as it is. Now we can see LHS is equal to RHS. It means m value 4 by 5 is correct solution of the question. Now here we completed our exercise 2.3. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand it. And if any query is there, you may ask. Thank you and have a nice day.